Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another get ready with me. I wanted to do something more colorful, so I chose to do a pink look today. So if you're interested in how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Hey guys, so first I'm going to go in with primer. I'm using the Smashbox Primerizer, which I love. It's the perfect primer and moisturizer in one. It really sinks into the skin, but it does have a tacky feel to it, so I wait till it dries before I go in with foundation. And I'm using the Dior Backstage Face and Body Foundation. And I like to use a brush with this. I just like the formula better with a brush. I sometimes go over it with a sponge just to make sure everything is even, but in this one I don't do that. I'm just blending everything into the skin. I'm in the shade 2N. I have multiple shades of this. That's my darker shade. My lighter is 1N, but right now that shade is better for me. Now I'm going in with concealer with the Maybelline Super Stay Better Skin Concealer. I'm in the shade Ivory. I really like this concealer. It does a really good job of covering my dark circles. It's super easy to blend and it looks really good on the skin. It's seamless. It gives you a really nice canvas under the eyes. I'm going to set that using the Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh powder. This one's a very interesting powder. It really feels like water on the skin, which I've never used anything like it before, so it is quite interesting. I like the feel of it on my skin, especially if it's feeling dry. It really does add some kind of moisture, so I keep using it. Now I'm just doing my brows quickly using the Morphe Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Latte. This is my favorite brow product. It's super easy to use. It's the perfect shade for me. It's not too warm and it's not too cool, so I will keep repurchasing this. I always have a backup of this in case I run out. And now I'm going to set the brows using the Morphe Brow Setting Gel. This is a really easy product, and this is really affordable since it's Morphe, so I continue to go back to this. And I'm going to bronze the skin using the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer in the shade Medium Deep. This is a little bit deep for me, but I still love this bronzer. It really adds a beautiful color to the skin. I'm going to blend it all around my cheeks and my forehead. I obviously went a little bit heavy on one side. Now I'm going to blush using the Becca Mineral Blush in the shade Wild Honey. I love all of these blushes. I have multiple shades of this, but I thought that was perfect. And now I'm highlighting with the Wet n Wild Highlighting Gold Bar. This is one of my favorite highlights, and I used this in my last video, and I don't normally use gold highlights because of my skin tone, but I think this one is beautiful. I'm just going to pull it down my nose and my Cupid's bow. And next I'm going to move on to the eyes. finish off the eyes, I'm going in with the Colourpop Cream Gel Liner in Piggy Bank. I'm just going to line my waterline with this. I love the shade of purple. And then I'm going in with the Tarte Maneater Self-Sharpening Eyeliner for the top lid. I don't normally use black liner as often, but I love this eyeliner. It goes on super smooth and it's super black. And I'm just going to curl my lashes to get ready for some mascara, and I'm going to go in with the CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume Mascara. This is one of my favorite mascaras from the drugstore. It makes my lashes look amazing, extra volume, and it does curl my lashes, because my lashes are not very curled at all. So I really like how this one looks on my lashes. I have the waterproof one, so I don't enjoy that much, but I like the regular version better. So I have to pick up that one after I finish this one, because this is definitely one of my favorite mascaras. I'm going to take the foundation off my lips, and I'm just going to go in with a gloss. This is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Fenty Glow. It's a beautiful gloss. The formula is perfect. I'm going to set my face using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. This is my favorite setting spray ever. And that completes the look. I love how it turned out. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!